Hey there everyone, Lewis here again. Welcome back to my channel. So on this video, I'm going to show you guys how to source products from Walmart.com to sell on your Amazon FBA business, right? But before I start, I want to invite you guys again to join my free VIP Amazon group. I'm going to post the link in my description below. And that way you guys can attend my free weekly calls and also network with other Amazon sellers. So that's this is how you guys source from Walmart to sell on Amazon, right? So first, you go to Walmart.com, obviously, right? And then from here, you pick random products that you like to sell. So, for example, I'm picking this one. And then from here, you do a reverse, excuse me. You do a reverse search from Walmart to Amazon. So I would copy the title and then search that exact product on Amazon. This one, I don't see the exact one, but we'll try it, right? So this one is an Vita and Invadi Advanced. Here. Revitalizer. Scalp Revitalizer. Let's see. Is it the same one? I mean, could be the same one. So 5 fluid ounces. Okay. The problem though is that the cost is the same or close to the price on Amazon, right? So this one is $57.80 on Walmart and $58 on Amazon. But I'm gonna check though if it makes sense. Possibly. No, it's not. It's negative ROI. But you guys saw, right? Like how I did it. So I started with Walmart, picked a product on Walmart, reverse search on Amazon, and then I found the product, and then I ran the numbers. It didn't make sense. So now I do the exact same process again. So I go back to Walmart again, pick a product, and then look for the exact product on Amazon. Okay, could be this one. Let's see. Oh man, this is kind of confusing. Let's see. So JMO fuel tank 77300 47010. I don't think this is the one. Could this be it? Possibly, but then this one's a Lexus, right? So 77300 47010. No, so I'll skip this one. I'll pick another one. So this one is next. Let's see if we can find this on Amazon. Let's see. Search. Could this be it? Let's see. So my first reader. No, it's not it. We keep looking. Excuse me, guys. No, I don't see it. So we keep it moving. Yeah, guys, that's the thing with product research. It takes time, so you really have to decide quickly too. That way, you don't waste a lot of time on looking for one product. So if you see that it's not hitting right away, I mean, I would skip as quickly as possible. I mean, these ones are here, but they're priced lower. Let's see. It's a clean boost. 3 times the order power. No, it's not going to work. I mean, it could possibly work, right? So if we're in the numbers, this one is 2012. 2012. So Amazon is on the listing. But if you guys see here, right? Oh, it's never mind. It's still going to be negative. So this one is a no go. So we keep it moving. So again, you copy the title, and then look at Amazon. Let's see, one and only women. I'm not seeing this either. There's this though, so maybe you can create a bundle if you want. So what you can do here is that you can look for this. You know, you're gonna do a reverse search, right? Back to Walmart, just to see if you can find this bundle. I don't think so, no. So no. We'll keep it moving. Okay. Let's see if I can find it. Let's see. Could that be it? Nyla Bone, Puppy, Teething, Pacifier. Let's see. Excuse me. I mean, it's the exact same product, but I don't think the numbers make sense because this one is $8.97. No, it's not gonna work. But yeah, this is how you do it, guys. It takes time to find a product, so but I hope you guys got the step by step though, right? So you start with Walmart, you pick a product from Walmart.com, you pick the product, and then you do a reverse search on Amazon, and then once you find the product on Amazon, you run the numbers, right? And if it makes sense, you buy it for a store, and there you go. Hope you guys got value from the video. And again, if you guys haven't joined my free VIP Amazon group, I'm going to put the link on my description below. And that way you guys can join my free weekly calls and also network with other Amazon sellers. And with that said, I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye-bye.